Well, here we are with the daily chart on the pound dollar, 4 hourly, 1 hourly, 15-minute, and right down to the 5-minute here. So the white horizontal is the level that I need to be under, lower than that in, well, now 17 hours and 10 minutes or so. So it's lunchtime in New York. It's about 4:30 in London, and it's very late at night here, where I am. But this is looking promising. So it's below. This has to end up below the barrier line here in just over 17 hours. Now, the logic behind this is that Tillerson got fired today, and the market has probably overreacted. The US data is already out, is in line with expectations, and tomorrow there's nothing happening on the pound, so it's a bit of a technical trade here, but I've been careful to make sure that I am out before the announcement of US data here, where we have core retail sales, PPI, and retail sales. So we'll be out before that. So that's about it. Wherever you are in the world, I hope you're well and life is being good to you. I think I will leave it there for the evening. About 2 pips on the wrong side of the trade here, but that's nothing to worry about. This is a real account for those of you who are wondering. The other one I just used for is graphically very good. So, just look, it's easy to see the currencies. And having a look at the others, that's the euro. The dollar's getting weaker there. We previously had a trade on the Australian US earlier. One did well. Sorry, the first one was a loser, and then we got our money back and some profits. So that was a happy situation. This is one to look at. If it climbs back up near this line, then we'll be shorting Euro Oz. That's the Dow. That's gone. That would have been nice up there. The reason for this is the Tillerson situation. Oil there, so going back to this. So that's sort of the big picture there, 4 hour. Remember the white line, horizontal, got to be below that in about 17 hours from now. So there you are. So from me, in the trading room, from me, Nick, I'll wish you all a very good evening. Take care and thanks for watching.